we are going to be learning how to initialize variables in Java Eclipse and how to print text and print variables. So first off, if you haven't already, open Java Eclipse by just clicking on Eclipse. If you do not know how to get here, please watch the first tutorial and I'll explain everything. So here we're going to, there are many types of variables. We have int, which is integer. We have string, capital S string, which is for letters. We have char. We have boolean. We have a lot more. So first off, int. Int is for integers, like numbers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could be a variable. String is for letters. String could be, you could actually say date, that's a variable. Char is for character. Char can be any of these characters, really anything like that. That's what char is. Next up we have boolean, and boolean is a true false. So it can be boolean true, or it can be boolean false. And there's actually a lot more. Let me just see here. There's, string, integer. So for integer, there's, so int, where I said int, you can also, instead of saying int, you can say short, you can say byte, you can say long. It's really all the same, but int's more popular. Then you can also say float, or dobule, or decimal. Float is the most popular. So for these, float is like, it's an integer, but it has decimal points. So it can be like that. That would count as a float. Next up, we have a short, long. Double is for repeating things. So like 1.33333, and the 3's just repeat. That would be for double. Right, so next up, we're gonna go into int. So, just variables. What are variables? Variables they're numbers or any kind of thing that holds data in it. So let's just say we want an int variable, which is numbers. How would you write that? You would say int. So this is like the syntax, basically. So for any variable, it will be variable type, then it will be variable name, equals to any sort of whatever you want to put in it. So if it's int, you would put numbers. So variable storage, you could say that. And then you would always, so basically any line of code at the end, you always want to put an apostrophe. That just sort of says it's over. So then you'd put an apostrophe. So let's get some examples. There's int, int the boys. That's just the name. Is equal to 500, and then the apostrophe. So there's no errors there. Next up, string. String, always make sure it's always a capital. String the boys. You can never repeat a variable. So string also is equal to Skillz. And then you put apostrophe. Okay, so basically for strings, you have to add a double apostrophe. So like one of these, you have to add that. So like it can say that as a string. Next up, there's char, which is character. So you can do char skills, but with char, similar to string, instead of double apostrophes like this, like this, you have to add single apostrophes. So it would be like this. And then between them, you can just do whatever that, and that would, you have to add the apostrophe at the end. Okay, so out of all of those are just variables like that. But what you need to do now is actually what to do with those variables. So one thing you can do with them is printing. So for printing, you have to remember this. It's system with a capital S dot out dot print ln parentheses. And inside the parentheses, you can add whatever you really want. So if you want to just print like words, you would just do a apostrophe, and you can do whatever. So now if we get that, always remember the colon at the end. Okay, so now if we run, it will print whatever we just said. And you can just keep practicing with this, just some basic stuff here. See, and it will print. So now, how do you print variables? So let's just say int a equals 500. Okay, so whenever you create a variable, it will always give you this error. The value of the local variable a is not used. And that's fine. It won't do anything. All it's saying is just that you don't really need this line because it's not doing anything. So now we're going to figure out how to do it. So what you want to do is do system.out.print ln. Okay, so this might take you a long time to write. So here's a shortcut. Write syso and click control, hold control, and click space. And that just makes it a lot easier. Then no apostrophes this time. Just write a. And see how that error went away? Now it will print 500. And that's how you print variables. If you want to say string a equals awesome. And we run that. Oh, also running, you have to just click this green button here. Run that, and it's awesome. And that's it for today's class. Bye-bye.